Hello dear customer, this is our QLQ automatic plastic zipper gapping space teeth cleaning machine. The output is about 3,000 pieces per hour. The machine size, you can see this is the whole wheel, and the length is about 1.4 meter, and the width is about 0.5 meter, and the height is about 1.6 meter. For this machine, sometimes if the zipper after the gapping machine, maybe the zipper sometimes will running not well, there will let some teeth on the gapping space, and this machine can remove to cleaning the teeth, cleaning the space teeth. Okay, so now I will start the machine to show you the machine process. You can see the zipper will go through the wheel, and then there will have the hook will remove the gapping space to remove the teeth, and ensure all space without teeth, ensure all gapping space without teeth. Okay, if you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us. See you.